What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I want to talk about AITX, the news catalyst that got this thing gearing up back in the right direction. I want to get into that. I want to get into my position on AITX, how I finished yesterday, and how I capitalized on it today. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it, shall we? So AITX. If you guys watched my last video on it, if you haven't, please go and do so. I have purchased AITX yesterday, capitalizing on this dip buy opportunity. And I accidentally sold half my shares and left me 30,000 shares. I was out of day trades. So I kind of had to let it ride out. Now, luckily for me, okay, sometimes we could all use a little luck. They had this news come out, a beautiful news catalyst. As you can see right here, now this was yesterday. Today announced that its wholly owned subsidiary Robotic Assistance Devices has received its highest dollar value order commitment to date. A 9-unit Wally HSO order from a Fortune 500 company, with the ultimate end user being a re-owned Fortune's 50 global company. So a top 50 global company is now one of their clients, man. So you could see it in the title. Announces largest expansion order received from Fortune 50 client, which is beautiful. So luckily that news came out, man, and that ramped me all the way up. Winded up closing out that position yesterday for a $1,500 profit, on top of my other account, which was a $720. So over $2,200 profit yesterday, which helped out tremendously because I started off the day already down a $3,100. So closed off that day with a minus $900 loss. So you know that was beautiful to see that's the news that dropped. So I was expecting maybe a potential gap up, and that's exactly what happened. And I sold it into that gap up. Again, I'm out of day trades, so I didn't want to necessarily hold on to it because I wasn't sure the direction it would go. Even though the news catalyst is strong, sometimes you just don't know. So, you know, I wound up taking a $642 profit in the morning, which was roughly about a 8% profit, which is right in my profit target range. So, you know, that was beautiful. You know, and then now it continues to run, got as high as at 18.8, and now kind of correcting a little bit. If it continues in this direction, I'm definitely going to buy it again towards the end of day, hoping it'll retest this 20, this resistance area over here. Really, it's more like 21. So somewhere in this range right here, these two red lines right here, definitely want to maybe potentially buy that again, because as you can see, when it's starting to gear up and have after all the red, and then we geared up here, this is very similar to this one. Then we have a gap up and a push, and then another gap up. So you know that with the news catalyst that's in here, it can provide a strong enough catalyst to push this thing. So this is very much on my watch for a potential overnight play again. And if it continues in the right direction, I might be a buyer a little bit early because of the strong news catalyst. So AITX, man, capitalized on it yesterday, continued that position into today. You know, so closed out yesterday's profit on AITX with a little over $2,200, and then this morning capitalized on it for $642. And with the news catalyst, it could be a potential buy for me again as well. So that's going to be it on AITX, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my analysis. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So AITX, a beautiful news catalyst, got a Fortune 50 company as a client, one of the top 50 companies in the world. That is huge. And so maybe that could provide this thing to get right back up to the top. We will see. Till next time, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. I'm out. Peace.